Binance has tools that allow its users to make money. Let's just talk about how to invest over time with Bitcoin. It has an auto invest feature. So auto investment is basically you purchase a certain amount of cryptocurrency repeatedly over a long period of time. It's also known as the
dollar cost average.
Exactly.
That slipped off the tongue a little bit.
It was a mouthful.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, so dollar cost averaging. Now, maybe you can let us know, do you do any dollar cost averaging yourself?
I do, but manually. So I do it in a manual way. I don't use the feature on Binance, but of course I definitely do that, and I'm currently doing that right now. So I set myself targets where I buy crypto weekly, and that just depends on how much money maybe I've made that week. So if I haven't made that much money, definitely I will still need to buy crypto, whether it's $10, $20, whatever my pockets are saying.
And that's a key thing. Even before we go, it's like you don't need to purchase a whole Bitcoin to invest in Bitcoin. Right? You can literally do fractional shares. What he's talking about is fractional shares, basically. Right?
Because I noticed, like, with most people, they feel like maybe they're waiting for that big amount of cash, that maybe they're expecting maybe like $500 or like $1,000, and then now they want to feel that, like, I've just invested like maybe $700. I just bought Bitcoin worth $700. I've just bought Bitcoin worth $1,000, and maybe that's when they feel that I've actually done an investment. But I've seen this other way just gives you that habit of continuously like purchasing crypto on a regular basis, and when that big amount of cash that maybe you're waiting for comes, you're already on the track record of investing, so it will just be another day in the office. So yeah.
But even while you've talked about that, it's like waiting for that huge chunk of money, that bulk. It's been noted actually in most videos. If you go check YouTube, you'll find different creators telling you it's like it's better to invest. Even let's say you get $500, it's better if you put, I want to invest, let's say $50 per week going forward for the next 10 weeks, because you get to buy whatever cryptocurrency you're buying at different price points, allowing you to profit at different price points, rather than putting in $500 right now at that price point.
And then it goes down.
Exactly. So it allows, that auto investment feature allows you to do that over a long period of time.
Do you use the auto invest feature?
I want to start. I was also doing the manual way, and honestly I haven't been as consistent. I got into, right now I am at a place where I am struggling, trying to make a bit of money, you know. So
he's waiting for the bull run.
Exactly. Thank you. I've had situations where, and this is now, it's just being real, you know. I've had situations where I've even gone back into the money that I've saved in crypto to get out to allow myself to survive. You know what I mean? So,
and then, like, even like when it comes to that, then that means the money that you are putting aside for the investment was more money than you should have been putting down for the investment.
Preach. I want you to say that again. Say that again.
So now you can get into the pitfall where maybe, let's say for example, you're investing maybe $30 a week, or maybe $30 every midweek, and then now after some time you don't maybe receive the money that you're expecting to receive, and then now you will remember definitely that you have some money, whether in your cold storage wallet or on Binance. You go there and then you see in the portfolio. So even though maybe the market, maybe you've lost 10% of your money, but then you have no choice. I mean, you can't stay hungry, so you just decide, you know what, I need to pull out this cash so that maybe I can use it for 1-2 things, and then eventually I'm going to put back the money. So I've honestly also gone through that before, but then now what I learned from it was that maybe I was putting too much money aside, right? So now I reevaluated maybe the amount of money that I can put aside, that I know 100% I'm not going to touch it. So probably from the experience that you had, you can know that, okay, fine, maybe if I was putting this money aside, definitely this wasn't making any sense, like currently right now. So maybe if I can remove 40%, or maybe you can see the amount of money you are putting aside, so that now you can consistently get back to an amount that you can continue for like a long period of time as well. So there is that.